Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this object. So at first I'm taking the new file, then mmgs is taken. Go to the top plane, extrude boss is selected, center rectangle is taken, then determine the dimension 80 millimeters, 60 millimeters, exit it, 10 millimeters upward, blend is selected. Go to the extruder boss again, click here, then go to the circle, Ctrl 8 for normal plane, then it will be 40, okay, then it will be 60 millimeters and direction will be downwards. Then again select the extruder boss and click here, then Ctrl 8 for normal plane and go to here, corner rectangle is taken and sketch, then determine the dimension, it will be 8 millimeters, then exit it and it will be 60 millimeters also. Okay, done. Then fillet is taken, one surface, one plane, one surface, another surface, another click. Okay, done. Then extrude card is selected, then click here, then Ctrl 8, then go to here and select and draw a circle. Go to the circle and draw a circle, it will be 25 millimeters. Okay, then through all is selected, go to the mirror and right plane is taken, click here, another click, and geometry pattern is taken. Okay, then extrude boss is taken and click here, then Ctrl 8, then go to the circle and draw a circle, it will be 25 millimeters. Okay, done. Exit it, then it will be 80 millimeters and it will be direction this way. Okay, thickness will be 2 millimeters and this direction will be this way. Okay, done. Then extrude card is selected, click here, then Ctrl 8, then go to the circle and draw a circle, it will be 30 millimeters and go here and through all is selected. Okay, done. Okay, go to here and select the color, steel or chromium. Okay, this color is taken. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.